Hello everyone. Today let us see one of the compositions of the Kovur Pancharatna Kritis, which is composed by none other than Sri Tyagaraja Swami. Let me tell you about the Kovur Pancharatna Kritis first. Kovur is a suburb of Chennai. There is a temple in Kovur which is dedicated to God Shiva. This temple is constructed in 965 AD by Raja Kulothunga Chola, and the presiding deity of the temple is God Sundareshwara and the goddess is Saundaryambikai. It is also one of the Navagraha temples in Chennai. Saint Tyagaraja has visited this temple on his way to Tirupati. It is said that Saint Tyagaraja travelled on a palanquin towards Tirupati once and passed through this place. He also visited this temple on his way back. There, a local headman called Sundaresha asked the saint to compose and sing some songs on his praise. Tyagaraja Swami refused and said that he will not sing in praise of any individual but only on praise of gods. And then he left Kovur. And while travelling from Kovur, his palanquin was attacked by a group of bandits who threw stones at the palanquin and the group of pilgrims travelling along with Tyagaraja. Then Tyagaraja stopped and got down from the palanquin, and he tried to explain to the bandits that he was not rich and he was only travelling on a pilgrimage to Tirupati. While he was trying to explain all this, these bandits, they were asking in return that there were some two furious men from the group of the pilgrimage along with Tyagaraja Swami. They were attacking the bandits back. And they were asking him who were they. Tyagaraja was surprised because there was nobody from his side who attacked the bandits back. Then he realized immediately that these two young men were none other than Sri Rama and Lakshmana, who had come to his rescue. So, realizing that there was some holy power to this place, he came back again to Kovur temple and he sang 5 compositions called the Kovur Pancharatnam. While most of the compositions of Sri Tyagaraja Swami are in praise of Lord Rama, he has composed some kritis on other gods, and this Kovur Pancharatnam is one such set of kritis which he has composed on Lord Shiva. Today we will be seeing the Kovur Pancharatnam Kori Sevimparare, which is composed in the Ragam Karaharapriya set to Adi Talam. Karaharapriya is the 22nd Melam. So it is a Sampurna Ragam having all the 7 swaras, the Arohanam and Avarohanam of Karaharapriya. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa. Now coming to the meaning of the song, the meaning goes like this. Very simple and beautiful meaning. Tyagaraja Swami says, let us all together worship the Lord Sundareshwara, who is residing in the beautiful Kovur, who is worshipped by the celestials, Shuka Shaunaka sages with golden flowers is worshipped by them, and who is the consort of Sri Saundarya Nayaki, and one who is the Hara, who is sitting majestically in Kovur. Let us all together pray to Lord Sundareshwara and fulfill our wishes. I have uploaded many theoretical concepts of Carnatic music, Varnams, Kritis with notations in my channel. Do check them out and do subscribe to my channel. Now let us go for the composition. Kori Sevimparare Kori Sevimparare Kor Kalide Kori Sevimparare Kor Kalide Kori సేవింపరారే కోర్గలీదే కోరి సేవింపరారే కోర్గలీదే కోరి సేవింపరారే శ్రీరమణీయము కోవూరి శ్రీరమణీయము కోవూరి సుందరమూర్తి శ్రీరమణీయము కోవూరి సుందరమూర్తి శ్రీరమణీయము కోవూరి సుందరమూర్తి కోరి సేవింపరారే సురులు వేయివల్నె బంగరు సురులు వేయివన్నె బంగరు విరుల పూజించగా సురులు వేయివన్నె బంగరు విరుల పూజించగా సురులు సనకగది మౌని వరులు నూతింపక సురులు సనకగది మౌని వరులు నూతింపక సురులు తుల్నని కొలువై ఉండు సురులై తుల్నని కొలువై ఉండు శ్రీ సౌందర్య నాయక సిరులై తుల్నని కొలువై ఉండు శ్రీ సౌందర్య నాయక వరుణి శ్రీ త్యాగరాజ వరుణి వరుణి శ్రీ త్యాగరాజ వరుణి పరమాత్ముని హరుని వరుణి శ్రీ త్యాగరాజ వరుణి పరమాత్ముని హరుని కోరి సేవింపరారే కోర్గలీదే కోరి సేవింపరారే ఏ